Okay, so we draw a circle. So let me repeat. We draw a curve, take 2 points which are very close to one another. Now how close they should be, that answer I'll give you in a minute. But 2 points which are very close to one another, draw tangents at those 2 points, and then the normals. Make those normals meet at one point. That point being the center of the circle, we draw a circle. Now the 2 points should be close enough in such a way that the circle we draw, that circle should touch the 2 points and all the points which are in the middle of those 2 points. Okay? So approximately, in other words, those 2 points and the points in the middle of those 2 points, they are part of a circle. Okay? So this can be any curve. This can be a parabolic curve, hyperbolic curve, any curve. But the 2 points which we consider, those should be close enough to be able to draw a circle about that. Okay? So that circle which we draw, that is called circle of curvature. The radius of that circle is called radius of curvature. And then 1 by rho is the inverse of that curvature. Okay, which is of the radius of curvature, which is called curvature. 1 by rho term, rho is the radius of that circle which we have drawn. 1 by rho is another term which is denoted by kappa, and that is curvature. Okay, now how is this curvature related to your moment? That is very important to appreciate. The curvature is related to moment in such a way that if the circle drawn is having a very big radius, then that would mean that the moment is less. If that circle is having a very big radius, then that means that that curve has less moment. And conceptually speaking, if the deflection is very low, it's almost flat, then the radius of curvature is at a very large distance from the point. Okay, and the circle which we draw is a very big diameter circle. And so if the radius is bigger, then your moment is less. And if the radius is small, like look at this one. If I take 2 points, the radius and draw tangent, they will meet very close to one another. Why? Because this has curve. This is more. It's having more curvature. So they will meet very close. They will meet very closely to this curve. The point of intersection is very close to the curve. Okay, and the circle we draw will be smaller than this one. So that means that the curvature, the radius is small, and the moment which is applied, that is bigger. Or in other words, its deflection is higher. You understand my point? So that is actually the relation of curvature and the moments. Okay, so we'll do the tomorrow. Then we will start with shear center. Okay, we'll try to solve a problem also and use shear center. Okay, so thank you very much.